Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. It's really testing our patience. But yeah, I posted it a few days ago on Discord and Telegram that we are probably going to be in this range for a little while. So from that point of view, the forecast has so far been correct. The situation on the Ethereum chart is largely unchanged. I know it's getting frustrating, especially after the boring movements that we had between April and June. Even though on the Ethereum chart it was a little bit more volatile, the Bitcoin chart was really boring. It was just coming down very, very slowly at a very, very shallow angle. But here we had a little bit more volatility, but nevertheless, we're basically just ranging, as you can see. My price isn't really moving a lot. And eventually we need to get that sort of catalyst in to finally push price out of this range. Expectations are still that we are currently in a wave 2 with a high likelihood. So that we moved up in a wave 1 in a 5-wave move between the 15th of June and the 3rd of July to that top. We have a nice 5-wave move up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have that support area still on the chart here because it is still relevant for the alternative wave count, where in the alternative count we are not in a wave 2, but we are in the wave 4 still, which presumably ended here at 1819 on the 28th of June. In this extended wave 4, we had an A wave here, an overshooting B wave, and a C wave to the downside now. However, one more low will confirm the primary count further, because then we will simply drop too much for a wave 4. Don't want in a wave 4 price to go below 1819. So the only way how this could still be a wave 4 in my opinion is as a so-called running flat correction. And a running flat consists of an A wave, which is corrective, an overshooting B wave, and a C wave, which is ending above the wave A. A, B, C. To be honest, if I was really counting that properly, it would be a WXY structure here, because this is too choppy for a C wave. But again, it could still be a running flat. Primary expectation would be due to the price action here, which is very, very corrective, again, to make one more low. And yesterday it attempted it already. Let's see if we get there. But be aware that we already fulfilled the minimum requirements to end this wave 2. Because price hit the trend reversal area highlighted in yellow, hit the 38.2 fib level, but it just doesn't give us any clear indication that price has bottomed already here on the 7th of July. From that point of view, one more low is expected, but if we get a break above the last swing high here at 1895, the idea is that we've probably already formed a more or less lasting low. What is really important to understand is if we finally form a low here, is it going to be, let's move that out of the side, is this going to be the end of the wave 2? And I'm currently watching primarily for the area between 1761 and 1802 as a target for that. So is this going to be the end of the wave 2? Or is it just the end of the first wave of a larger correction, WXY? That's always possible, but cannot be primary expectation. It's just a bit of a wait and see. If we make another low, form a more or less lasting low, go up, then we need to look at the structure. If it's an impulse, we are likely in a third wave. If not, we are in a correction, and then we need to prepare for one more drop later. Okay, but this is too early to confirm. It just depends on if the move down is significant enough to correct the entire move that occurred between the 15th of June and the 7th of July. The 3rd of July. And we take that look when we see it on the chart. At the moment, I think one more low would be nice. Yeah, would just sort of fit into this. What Ethereum might be working on here, some kind of a small bear flag or something. Yeah, something like an ascending wedge or so, which could break to the downside. They often do. Certainly something to observe with that trend line. We only have 2 touch points though. Oops. We only have 2 touch points at the moment though on the lower trend line, but it's still something to observe. Maybe it's even a bit of a triangle here that is unfolding. Yeah, but we don't have enough waves yet to confirm any of that. So Just an idea at this stage. Certainly a sideways consolidation here. But yeah, nothing changed. Relevant support 1802 to 1761 in the next when the next low occurs. A break above 1895 would be a small breakout point. More relevant breakout point is 1960 up there, and then 1975. Okay, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.